How to find video quality settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video quality settings on Android phone. First, then open a camera and then just click this settings icon here in the top corner, and as you see here you will find the video resolution, and here you can find video settings, and then click on it and you can make it here anything you want. You can make it 4K if you want, and you can change it just by one click. It's easy, and that's how to find the video quality settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.